Guys, we're going through Friend Gully. Just the beginning, so let's see how long it is. That view. Look. Look. Whoa. You see, there's like an island in the middle of the ocean. Can you see? Yeah. Okay, we're still on our way to Puerto Antonio. See you soon. Bye-bye. Welcome to St. Thomas. I'm gonna go stand there and take a picture. Okay, let's go. So guys, I just stepped at the fall and it was nice. You know, water, it doesn't matter, seawater or river water, I'm all for it. Okay, so I'm heading to Kingston now. It took us about 2.5 hours from Portland to get to St. Thomas, so yeah, now we're in White Horses. You just see that? Yeah, we're in White Horses. That's in St. Thomas, okay? So I'll get back in touch with you when I'm in Kingston. So guys, we're in Yellowstone, St. Thomas. Guys, I just stopped and I bought a cup of fish soup. $200 a cup, and I bought jerk chicken $5.50, and I bought Festival. It's good. See, I'm burping. So we're at Fleet Street, downtown Kingston, and look at the paintings on the wall. You see all the drawings? Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. This is so cool. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Love it. Love, 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 love. Love. So artistic. Yeah. I think it goes all the way around. Wait. Oh, wow. I like that one. We are Jamaicans. Yeah, this is cool. Cool. See, it goes all the way down. See, water lane. So we're in Water Lane, downtown Kingston. Yeah. I think this is where it starts. These are beautiful, gorgeous, right? Yeah. We are coming up onto Flat Bridge. Yes, that's Flat Bridge right there. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's drive over Flat Bridge. It's not so bad, right? It's not so bad, right? So I stopped at the famous yam place on Melrose Hill. And I got roast yam and roast saltfish. You see, a beautiful light. Let's see how it is. Let's try it.
Up your mind
So guys, we're in Mandeville and the rain started pouring. Literally, it's pour rain. Guys, it's raining like crazy.
just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, cause right now I feel the love that we
I don't
said
search
we
you
would
regular.
bring. Oh, I know that you feel it too.
So guys, we are going down Spur Street and this is the deadliest corner on Spur Street. Yeah. This is where a lot of accidents happen, guys. Guys, we just passed this accident. See what we were talking about on Spur Street Hill. Yep, that's what you get on Spur Street Hill. They're accidents. So guys, we're coming up onto Highland Bamboo.
Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said with her. I can see that you miss me.
In Anova. Got back to Trelawney, Falmouth, I should say. I am tired. Tired is not even the word that I use, but